You already know who it is. You already know where it is. I'm coming back into Waterton Canyon because I've had a lot of success here and been having a good time, and I'm pretty addicted to this right now. So I'm gonna do some shore fishing today. I'm just in the hiking shoes because I'm still dealing with that blister from last time. So it's a lot windier than I thought it was gonna be, so it might be a short, I wonder if you can hear that wind ripping. Okay, we got homeboy ginked up. I like the spot. Last time someone else was here, but I got a couple eats down there. But I didn't set the hook, of course, because that's, you know, who I am as a fisherman. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get it any further than that. There are so many fish in this hole. I love it. I can see them feeding. So it's a good spot. Good spot to be. Okay, I'm gonna gank this guy up a little bit again. I think that was relatively unnecessary. See if I can get just a rejection would be good. Pretty windy, which means choose your casts wisely. Like that. Holy shit, how is he still on? Okay, dude, chill. You're like the tiniest little fish. He's swimming in circles. He's gonna get off for sure. Come on. Nice fish, dude. Oh, he's actually not a bad fish. I was talking shit. I was like, you're just a tiny little guy. I mean, he's not a normal fish, but for this river, this isn't bad. Literally first good cast. Dang, love this spot. Man, that was a good drift too. Dude, these fucking guys, oh man, just jump out of like crazy. Son of a bitch. Dang it, dude. So I had that one on. There was a water spot in the camera, so you didn't see the eat. It was a clean eat. He just jumped out of the water fucking 50 feet again. Maybe not 50 feet. There's another one that just approached my fly up here though, so. Dude, these things fucking just jump like crazy. This is a bigger one. Holy shit, dude. Okay. Okay. Gotcha, bitch. And he got off. Nice, dude. Show us so I can get a good video of you. Pretty fish. I would try to do a release on him, but he's just freaking out. Stepped in the wall a little bit. Gotten a couple eats today, dude. That's sick. Alrighty, we're gonna keep the same stimmy on. Hopefully keep catching fish. But I got 2 out of this hole, so I feel good about myself. Wowza. I don't feel good about myself for that cast, though. Sounds like the storm's rolling in. My knee was really bugging me coming down that hill. That was weird. So hopefully I'm okay. I'm not gonna walk and wait all day tomorrow. God, the wind's starting to rip though. My knee's messed up. That might be a sign that I need to go home. Alright, so the wind is picking up and it was hearing thunder and everything like that, but it was like too windy to freaking cast. And my knee was feeling really funky when I was down climbing those rocks. So I've got an 8-hour walk and wait tomorrow, so I'm gonna fish my little spot. I have a little spot over here that I like to fish. Kind of just observing right now. My knee does, I tried to down climb a little bit and my knee does effing kill when I try to down climb. It's good hiking, so I can hike back just fine, but I don't want to make it any worse. I need to go home and ice it. So I'm just kind of sitting here to see if I can see fish feeding. Ooh, that was one. So that was my question, is it worth it to go down there? And I saw a fish pop up and feed, so maybe it is. Wind's ripping, of course. Yeah, I think I'm just I'm stressing out my knee too much. I need to chill, so I'm gonna fish this spot and see how it goes. I do see them rising though, so they kind of always are rising in this spot. This is the OG fish catching spot for sure. Like sometimes I'm surprised like something like that doesn't get a meet. Oh, did he eat that? And I missed it? I watched him eat it and I missed it. I think he might have missed it. Maybe I went too fast. I think he straight up whiffed on that, dude. He came hauling out of the water. I wonder if I'll get that on camera. And he just comes screaming. Fucking. I missed that one. Fuck, dude. I told you they hit over here. Dude, they jump so fucking much. Chill. I don't know how this guy's still on. I just floated him in here. Oh, he's off. Sick, dude. So much fun. Just a little ginky of the day. 6-inch fish. We're just gonna release him like this because I don't really want to get wet either. Peace out, buddy. All right, I'm satisfied. Gonna keep going for a little bit longer until I'm like ultra mega satisfied. Oh, he's still on somehow. Holy crap. I was about to say, if this would be a heck of a hook set. Oh, come on. Okay, he's off. Good enough. Probably not the best way to release a fish, but... let's get back to trying to net some hogs. I ain't gonna find a hog in here. Finally can cast, though. God damn it. Okay, I just took my tippet ring out, because why not? And now we're gonna try to catch a few more of these. My drift should be better. Oh, he came up and looked at it. The question is, what did he not like about it? Man. It's tough. I think I can go down for these guys down here is what I'm gonna try. Okay, that works. Did I just lose my fly? I think I did. I just whipped it on that. Oh, man. Okay, and you really need to stop doing that, but... We're ginking, and then we're gonna go and do the exact same thing I was just doing. I'm gonna just go downstream because that's where they were all feeding. It's directly behind where I'm facing right now. That's the drift I wanted. Oh, I got the eat, dude. Dude, how? Third time's the charm, eh? I've been trying to get this fucking guy for a while. Oh man, maybe he's not that big, but oh, he's all up in that. Oh, he could have been big too. Damn. Did I just whip that fucking fly off? Now I did. Oh, bummer. Oh. Oh, he hammered it. I didn't even have to set the hook. He hooked himself. This guy's 0% chill right now. One day I will figure out how to actually hook a fish. That was pretty funny. That fish ate it and I missed the hook, and so I literally just did nothing. I just was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna let him chill. And he hit the fly so hard he just fucking hooked himself. Holy shit, that was a big fish. Holy shit, that was a big fish. Holy shit. That thing was huge. Yeah, guys, ended up being a decent day. Netted 4, I think. And then I had that other little one that broke off. 3 or 4, I don't know. And I had a big one on. I think it's bigger. It seemed bigger than a lot of the ones I've pulled out of here. I never actually saw the fish, but I mean, probably over a foot. You know, could have been bigger than that. And hopefully I got it on footage. That big old freaking rainbow. That was a hog. I don't know how big that was. That was a big fish. So cool to know that those are actually in here. But I love coming here, man. It's just, I'm always getting on fish. I'm always having a good time. My knee doesn't feel great, but it doesn't feel bad. I'm gonna ice the heck out of it tonight while I'm going through footage. Yeah, it's been a good day. Glad I came out. Excited for tomorrow. I'm not gonna have any footage, but I'll take some pictures. I'll show you guys some pictures of my guided trip tomorrow, so that should be cool.